Hey, can you guys hear me? Gotcha. Hey, good morning. Let me send out the link. Is the background music too loud? I'm not sure. Can somebody just let me know? Or can you guys hear me clearly? Good morning. Let me... Nothing much. How's it going? Sounds great. Good morning. Alright, at 9:10, I'm gonna start. And before market opens, I'm going to go over the trading strategy that I'm going to be using today to approach the market. As you can see, I have like Roku up, Bill, ET, D-Dog, GoPro. There's a lot of stocks moving in pre-market that we're going to be watching today, especially mRNA. I like this pattern it's forming. It has room to run. SQ can move too. Yeah, I got you. How's that? Is that better? All right, Veil a little more. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I figure that's usually a problem because I can't hear myself, so I don't know which is like louder and which isn't. So just let me know, guys. Yeah, of course I remember you. All right. So with that said, we have Piton that's moving up in pre-market. We have Net, Cloudflare. This one can move more. mRNA, Square. Let's see what else we have. We have Roku, T-Dog, Energy Transfer, Bill, GoPro. Let's see. Yeah, I'll try my best. I'm going to be signaling on Discord as well to the best of my ability. So far, pre-market is falling back a little bit, which I don't mind. We technically need to retrace just a little bit before we move up. Somebody watching that at open. Also have apps, Run, Tesla, and Amazon on my watch list. All right. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pull up a Word document and I'm just going to explain the trading strategy I'm going to be using for today. All right, so number one, I always look at the 5-minute chart to enter, 15-minute to exit, typically. Sometimes I might look at the 5-minute chart as well. Uber might not be a bad one to keep on my watch list, so let me post that one actually. I forgot to put it on one of my charts. Uber is going up. Let's keep Airbnb on watch too. These all have tendencies to run on Fridays. These can always change. There we go. All right, back over here. Okay, so trading strategy right here. Yes, this will be recorded and posted later. So 5-minute chart to enter, 15-minute to exit. Let's see what else. My strategy on a Friday, it's not to win every play. So we aren't trying to win every play. My strategy differs during the week. My strategy during the week is obviously those small, consistent gains. So try putting this in perspective here. All right. Strategy during the week is small, consistent gains. Because I know, so I know Fridays are my best days in the market. I can easily score, 200, 300%. On a Friday, that's really easy. So it's basically saying, why would I aim for 200, 300% Monday to Thursday when I know that that's the easiest to get on a Friday? If I know it's easier on a Friday, that's when I can get those. During the week, I'm just building up those profits so I can run them on a Friday. In addition, my strategy, well, I can put that under this one. I don't know why Word is formatting it weird. All right. My strategy on a Friday mainly is it's like glue. And what I mean by this, less is more. If you think about super glue, if you take super glue and you put too much glue on something, pretty much what's going to happen is it's not going to hold. But if you put a little bit, it's going to bond right away. So it's the same exact thing. It's like glue, less is more. So what's going to happen is we go in with a small amount on trades. And this amount will be around 5% of my account or less. So I'm looking to go in with 5% or less on trades of my account. And we're looking to win big, essentially. We're pulling out those medium gainers. So we're going to get 20 to 30% usually on, on our trades. So that's going to be our average. Just because we're going to have like those that go from like 0.25 to maybe like 0.35 or so. So we're going to catch those big gainers. And typically what I do here is I take 10 contracts. And then I'm going to utilize a strategy where I scale out 2/3 first because I know it's a risky position, especially on a Friday. So I want to scale out the majority of my contracts first. Then I can sell like half my runners and then leave one kind of thing. So this is going to help you with pulling out that maximum gain, but also making sure that you're securing your position. Now, remember, why is a trading strategy or a trading plan important? If you think about this, if you're, playing soccer, if you're playing baseball, football, whatever it may be, any sport, you always need a game plan before you go out on the field. If you don't have a game plan, you're all just running around with a chicken out of your head. This is the same exact thing here. If you go to the market, you're trying to trade in the market and you don't have a trading plan, this is going to mess you up. Like, you're not going to, this is the main reason why people lose when trading. And I'll say it live on stream. I've blown up 3 to 4 accounts before I actually grew many of my accounts. You saw that I did many challenges, 10K to 170, 5 to 10K just recently in 8 days. It's all utilizing this. There's many trading strategies out there by many traders. What you need to do is you need to find one that works for you and you can run it. So once again, my strategy is Monday to Thursday actually. I'm looking for those small, consistent gains. Those 100%ers, 200%ers, 300s, those are to come along as you trade. And in addition, I definitely agree with somebody in the comments there. You want to use a cash account because for a couple reasons. It's not going to mess you up on day trades. You're going to have enough day trades to get in and out of positions, but also options take T plus one actually. So I'm going to put that in the chat. Options settle next day. And the reason for this is it serves as a reset. So if you know you have 10K in your account and you're going to take 10 trades that day, then you want those 10 trades to be your best 10 trades. You don't want to you don't want to mess up your day trades. You don't want to limit them. So that's going to be your strategy right there. 10 trades, you want to make it your best. If you're doing a 70% win rate, you want to win on 7 of those. You could lose on 3 more. So that's basically the background here. And like I said, my Friday strategy, what it's going to be today, is we're going in small on trades and we're going to win big. Remember, these trades can go negative 20, negative 30%. And I'm fine with that. That's why I'm going in with a small account or a small amount, sorry. I'll be going in with 5% or less of my account. So that's the whole thing, my whole strategy right here. Don't go in with too much. And here's the reason why. If I go in with 10% of my account or $1,000 on a trade, what's going to happen is that trade might very well go green later on. And what are you going to be saying? You cut at negative 20% because you're seeing that loss racking up in your account, but you're looking at that trade and then you're going to be saying that would have been $2,000 profit instead of I got $2,000 profit. But if you went in with less, such as $500, then you're able to hold that trade much longer. Even a 50% loss at that point, 250 on a 10K account, all depending, it's not as hard to make up from, but you're able to hold that and say, okay, I made $1,000 profit today. So like I said, it's essential that you size in your plays uh, on a Friday. Now you said, do you always get 10 contracts at a go? So it doesn't, not always. It depends. Like if it's like a $4 contract or something, that's gonna be like $4,000. What I'm looking for, obviously, I'm trading on my challenge account today with 11K. I'm looking to trade with smaller amounts. So if it's like $20 or $30 per contract or $70 or so, I'm looking to get 10 contracts somewhere around 500, 700-ish dollars. I have a little bit flex there. So let's see. Yeah, Webull is the broker that I use personally because I can place trades the quickest from my phone. Another thing I'm going to show you guys here is if I pull up Webull on my screen. So this is the desktop version. We go to the markets. You can see what's moving in pre-market right now. You sort by percent change. So we can see all the stocks that are moving. We have Run moving in pre-market. PRPH, Bud, all these stocks, you're able to look and see, okay, these stocks are moving in pre-market. Look, we have SBH moving again. All you have to do is you click it. You click the stock, you can see why it's moving. You can see the order flow for the past days. You're able to see basically why that stock is moving. And then you can kind of look at the option chain and you could say, okay, is this something I would play? You'd want to look at the spreads. I mean, obviously they reset because it's market open. Well, about to be market open. So I'm not really going to be trading on the desktop version here just because it gets a little messy. I personally trade on the phone app. So let's see. I'm going to answer some questions here. So for growing a triple digit account, would you only be going $7 or lower? No. So you'd want to go like a max of 10%. So that's like $70. So I would say focus on 5% per trade. $50 to $100. Yeah, can you guys hear me clearly? Just let me know. If you guys can't hear me clearly, then I'll definitely turn up the mic. So just somebody let me know. No stop loss put in place. You can put a stop loss. You can place a stop limit order or stop market. Personally, I don't really use it. Gotcha. I'm going to turn it up a little bit just to... There we go. So, gotcha. Yeah, so I don't really put a stop loss in place. Yeah, I know, it's the mic. It's weird because I just bought a brand new mic from Amazon. That's the one that I'm using right now. So, thank you for you guys letting me know. I'm gonna look into another one. But, yeah. So, essentially, I don't use a stop loss because you can't place two orders at the same time. You can't put, like a stop limit or stop market, and you can't, like, place a limit order at the same time. So pretty much I just place one order, I keep a mental stop loss, and on a Friday, once again, that's why sizing is so important. Because remember, these trades can drop really quickly. So you want to make sure that you're able to get in and out of trades like that. And even on a Friday, that can go past your stop loss really quick, or it can go past, like if you're trying to sell at zero point 0.2 and then it goes down to 0.18. So it's just that. Sounds good. Trailing stop losses I typically do for like regular stocks. Now I'm going to show you one way that I scan for stocks. I scan using Robinhood. So I don't have any money in Robinhood, so I'm pulling this up here. And literally all I do is this list right here. You can see like the type of chart that's forming. I have like 400 stocks, and I just scroll down throughout the day and I look at charts that are forming, and I just eye it for, uh, you know, I just eye it for basically trades, like see if something's forming like a double bottom, something that I'm trading. Like you can see right now, apps is up 4.7% in pre-market. I'm gonna watch that. Riot is another one. You can see that this is moving up. It's $8. Might get a nice bounce today. I don't really want to change anything on here, so I'm not gonna be adding anything, but that's essentially it. You could scroll down through here and just create your watch list so we can see what's moving. In Webull, are you able to place an option bracket? No, you can't place a bracket. You can only do that with stocks. So like you can see SKLZ is moving 3% in pre-market. The reason why I'm not really looking at like some of these stocks, like these cheaper stocks on a Friday expiration, because these expirations are going to be like 5/21 or May 21, like those monthly expirations. And personally, if it's a Friday, I'm looking to take advantage of those, those cheap premiums and run them up. So I know I can trade those 5/21 ones any day. I'm looking for those unique ones that I can make a big gainer out of, like D-Dog. We see that moving in pre-market. One thing to note is that large cap stocks will move a max of 10% in a day. Mid caps will move around 12 to 15. So that means D-Dog still has some room to run, especially if it takes off running, and along with Piton. And so if we're just scrolling down this one, let's see here. What else we got? If I just scroll down here, yeah, market view, premium from the chart. Yeah, trade view. I use trading view. On a day trade account, it all depends. I mean, honestly, small account is hard to grow. So like if you're using like $500 to $1,000, I won't lie, that is hard to grow. But with the right type of effort that you put in and a game plan, you always need a trading strategy or game plan before you approach the market. Uh, you're going to be solid there. Now, also in terms of indicators that I'm using the 8, 21, 50, and 200 exponential moving averages, support and resistance, using a relative volume indicator here. I'm using VWAP, that's another one, in conjunction with like market sentiment, volume, and so on. Now, this indicator at the bottom here is completely free. It's a relative volume one. I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna send this out. I don't really use the long and short signals. I mean, I'm just more of looking at support and resistance and so on. Indicator training, I might release a video on that, so I'll let you guys know. I have a couple that are already in line. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got about 7 minutes till market open. Can you? Yeah, I'll put out a indicator training on that. Oh, the moving averages. So I use yeah, so I do use indicators. Don't get me wrong there. But after doing this for some time, like it's more of like I can kind of just envision them. Let's see. I'm gonna post it up here. I don't think it's gonna let me. Okay, I'll just post them up. 820, 50, 200 EMAs. VWAP is another one. Support resistance. RVOL, which I'll send out the link. This is a completely free indicator by Zen and the Art Trading. I highly recommend using it. I use it for relative volume. I use the MACD and RSI when needed, so I'm not always using those. I thought the lines come up automatically. Yeah, so the support resistance are automatic. It's using a script called Cobra Algo. Now, yeah, this is the $15 version of TradingView. I'll show you an actual trick. If you download this browser, it's called Vivaldi. So I'm gonna type it in the chat and I'll show you what it does. So, hold on, I'm pulling up the wrong charts here. All I have to do is literally I pull up a 2-chart window. I just pull up 3 of these. So you can see I have up 3 2-chart windows now. I'm going to take one, drop it on top of the other one. Didn't do that right. Take one, drop it on top there. Great. I have 3 in one window. I'm going to go at the bottom here and hit tile vertically. Boom. There's 6 charts for you on a TradingView screen, and you can see you can do this with 8, however many you want. This is an awesome way. I love this thing. It's my favorite browser. Like, I mean, I can even do it if I put in another one. Yeah, I mean, I could pay for the $60 version of TradingView, but like I said, I don't even use all those features, so I don't really need it. So look, there's 8 charts right there. Yeah, yeah, for 8 charts you need to pay like $60 a month. I just don't need that. I just need 8 charts, and this does it perfectly. I just favorite my indicators or whatever I'm using at the bottom, and I mean I can set all my charts here, like SPY, whatever I want. Hey, what's up, Nova? How's it going? So it's just like that. This is a browser. This makes it way easy. No, it's not a TradingView indicator. It's a browser. So you're gonna want to look it up on like Google or so. So just type in like Vivaldi. Do you recommend Cobra Algo? So I'll probably be releasing an algo or something as well soon. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. But really, I just use auto support, auto resistance. If you don't, yeah, the browser is Vivaldi. If you don't want to, pay for one, there's many indicators. This is why I love TradingView. There's many public indicators out there. All you literally have to do is like, there's a couple free ones I have on here. If you go to like support resistance dynamic or something, I maxed out on. Let's take off something. All right, let's try this now. So if I do like an auto support, there's like auto support ones. I mean, these are gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I'll get you guys a little bit more info on that. Hey, sounds good. Now I have 600 viewers buying a bottle of 42. Yeah, I'm gonna be yeah, prices may have already increased when I post, but if you get in within a 5% tolerance, that's good. So, like I said, once again, for you guys that haven't been here before, this is my strategy on a Friday. I kind of typed it out here. When you do a market sell, does it sell for the bid or average price? So I typically don't do a market sell. I typically do limit orders, especially on a Friday expiration, because what could happen is if the bid is like 0.5, the ask is 0.6, the mid is 0.55. What's gonna happen is when you said follow Alpha, bro. If you guys know, you know. But essentially what's going to happen when you try to sell that trade at a market order, it's going to spread the bid and the ask, so you can get filled like 50% down even if it's like at 0.7. So I never try to do a market order on a Friday expiration. Always do a limit order because you can hurt yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna put all this stuff in a doc. So I already have it in a doc here, and I'll send it out to you guys. It's just generic info. In fact, I can just send this out in the channel, I think. I'll have to reformat it to send it out, but that's essentially it. Yep, I'll be trading same day expiration. All right, 1 minute to market open. Let's get it today. Sounds good. Yeah, TD is good as well, but you have to pay commissions. I personally racked up like 3,000 in commissions or more, so I just I got away from there. It's too much. It just brings down my account instead. So like that's like everything. Let's get it today. We got Roku moving up. D-Dog, Roku's gapping up like crazy. I mean, this one might dump and then run. We're gonna have to be very careful at open, but like I said before, make sure you're watching out for uh, your account sizing as well. You definitely need to make sure you're going in light on your trades. Okay, there's market open. Let's see what we have here. We have Roku moving up in pre-market. So I'm going to pull up Roku option chain right now. I'm just looking at this. Bill might take off too. Let's pull up some other charts. mRNA is trying to break out here. I'm going to want to keep this on watch. Like I said, there's Roku coming down a little bit. ET is trying to move. Let's see. You can see that's exactly what I was talking about there. SPY is going to come back down to support before it goes up. Bill looks interesting. What in the world is happening? The stream froze. All right. You guys didn't miss anything, don't worry. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think the stream just overloaded. All right, we have ET moving up there. I'm just going to pull up the option chain in case we get some more volume. Another thing you could do is you could favorite your strikes on Webull. This AET call, energy transfer, isn't looking too bad. This $10 call, 3 cents. Alright guys, I am placing an order on the $10 call for energy transfer at 0.03. Let's see if I can get filled. I got 0.04 on it. AMAT is blasting off as well. We have Roku. I'm going to alert this in Discord. So, buy to open. I don't think I'll be able to alert on Discord at the same time. But essentially, if you got into energy transfer, we are up 120% already. It's at from 0.03, it's at 0.06. I'm gonna be looking to see if we can break a little bit higher. Are you still holding Diz? Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out those swings in a minute. Update those. The ticker was ET, Energy Transfer. I got in that $10 call. Essentially, we're up around 83% now, 50%. I'm waiting for it to go to 10%. Yeah, it's at 0.06 now. This thing is just going all over the place. Don't worry, there's more plays. Looking at Roku here, mRNA's taking off as well. If you didn't get into energy transfer, don't worry. Don't FOMO in on it. Let's see, I'm going to pull up the chart of mRNA. Alright, we have Roku and mRNA moving up. I'm going to try to... Okay, Bill looks like it's about to break out here, so I'm pulling up the option chain for Bill. I'm just going to keep this on watch. It's not the strongest, but let's see what we have. The spreads are too wide on Bill, so I wouldn't be taking that. mRNA and Roku do look kind of good here. I feel like mRNA could run to that 170 level. Let's see. mRNA doesn't look half bad. I'm going to be eyeing that, let's see, 175 call. Looks pretty good right now, but I'm not going to take it as yet. I'm waiting on it to come around. So right now I'm looking at mRNA, looking at this 175 call, trying to see where we can get an entry on this. I think Z and TLRY are breaking out right now. I think it needs to move because we have calls on it. Finally. I knew this thing was finally going to move. Our calls should probably be green soon. Piton is booming. Dang it. Alright, we got Piton moving up there. Let's see, what do I want to do? I'm going to take off energy transfer from my chart. See, this is the problem right here. I'm just waiting for SPY to consolidate and then break out. Yeah, I'm doing all day trades right here because I'm trading Friday expiration. So they kind of have to be same day. I think TLRY is finally moving on another note. Everything's finally moving, but let's see. I'm eyeing between mRNA right now. For mRNA, I would be playing the 175 call for May 7th. Okay, so I'm looking at it right now. The premiums are 0.67, the mid 0.74, the ask is 0.8, meaning the spreads are a little bit wide on this. I'm going to have to be certain of a move before I take it. We can see, look, this is exactly what I was talking about. SPY is coming down to that support and moving up there. Yes, this is trading view. Etsy is rolling. Let's see what we got. ET should be up or at least at break even for whoever's in. Etsy moved up and then died. Oh, CVS is blasting. Let's see what we got here. CVS is on the move. Okay, there's Bill coming back around. You can see SPY is blasting, but it doesn't look like it's taking much with it. Snap is trying to move. Okay, we got some movers over here. I actually like this. Snap might be a good one today. Tesla doing anything? Tesla looks like it's ready to move. Apps too. Alright, let's pull up some of these stocks. Apps. We have Tesla. Now these are auto support. I'll drop the indicator after. Alright, let's see what we can get here. All these calls are looking pretty juicy. Alright, I'm gonna pull up the apps call. Let's see what premiums. All these premiums are pretty bad. Let's see. Dash might not be half bad. How long am I on this? Say the ticker next time, please. I don't memorize them. Yeah. ET should be up like hella right now. I don't know. I didn't. Yeah. CVS is blasting. Okay, mRNA does look good. CVS as well. I'm gonna keep both on my watch right here. Let's decide to take Snap off. Okay, so these are my main stocks I'm watching right now. Let's see. Checking out the CVS calls right now. Let's see what we can get. CVS looks to be on a nice uptrend here. Oh, that 85 call would be pretty nice. 0.21. The ask is 0.24. Alright. Let's see. I might take some risk soon here on that CVS call if we get a little bit more volume. I do like the action that we're getting here, and I think we can go a little bit more on CVS. I can see us hitting 85-ish. Alright. I just want to wait on the next channel here. How big's my monitor? It's about 20%. Somebody mentioned snow. pull it up, see what Snow. Okay, Snow doesn't look too bad. Could have swore this was like a $300 stock the other day. CVS does look pretty good. I'm just weary of this movement right now. How it's bouncing and going up and going down. Let's see. All right. When to get out? So if you got in ET, it did go 100%. What's it at right now? It's at 9.72. I'd hold for another candle. It could probably blast again. Yeah, it's like a 22-inch monitor. Doesn't. Let's see. CVS is looking really good right now. I just don't want to get caught in like holding. So let's see what we can do. This 85 call looks pretty good at 0.26. Just watching SPY here. There's a lot of stocks moving, but it's just like I don't want to get caught in a fake out, like something like this. All right, I'm gonna take some risk. I'm entering. I didn't enter this yet. This CVS looks really nice. I just don't want it to come back down, especially on a Friday expiration. Roku is consolidating at support. Yeah, you see what's happening with SPY right now. CVS is ideally a beautiful play. Yeah, there's a lot of stocks moving right now. Oh, that doesn't. Futu looks pretty good. Whoever called that out, pretty good. Good job on your end. Let's see what the premiums look like over here. I do like that Futu. That 140 call does look. Spreads are bad. If I did play FUTU, it would be 140. So I'm not in any calls at the moment. Eyeing a couple plays. FUTU 140 calls. Snow would be. I'm just saving all these to my watch list, just in case I go to use them. Snow would be that 215 call if I get in. And then, I mean, obviously, this is why I didn't take CVS. That candle right there. Feel free to exit ET, energy transfer, whenever you want. It should be around 50 to 100% at any moment. Is Apple going down? I'm not too sure. See what we have here. FUTU does look pretty good. I do like this play. I may enter in it. I'll let you guys know if I do. I'm just waiting on SPY here. I don't want to take a play and have it go down. See, there's Bill coming back. Ideally, I really like this play, but it's just the spreads are pretty bad on this. Piton does look pretty good. Let me pull up Piton. ET is at 0.02 now. It hit 0.06 earlier. I'm still in that one for the record. I got out some at 0.06, but I'm still in. So I'm still holding that. ZG is break even. Let's see Piton. What is Piton doing? Alright. If I did play Piton, it would be that 95 call. I actually really like this play if we get a nice breakout because these premiums are solid here. So I'm eyeing Piton for an entry, the 95 May 7th call. Now, I'm not entering as yet. I'm just waiting for an entry here. If we can catch a solid entry, these These premiums are moving pretty well here. We have the bid at 0.46, the mid at 0.5, the ask is 0.52. In other words, they're not that far apart. So I'm going to be looking to see if we can get some more volume here. Yeah, I'm going to give alerts on Discord as well. I'm going to try my best. For example, why did I select? So it was on my watch list already. I'm just watching this pattern here, see if we can get a break from consolidation. This is what's concerning me. You see how SPY's pulling up here, but a lot of these tickers are moving flat. CVS doesn't look half bad as well. I'm going to switch over and look to that one as well. If I pull up CVS. The 85 call is still hovering there. So if I'm buying, I'm typically setting it between the mid and the ask. Alright, CVS looks good. Every time the play looks good, then SPY is kind of consolidating. If I am taking a call on CVS, it's going to be the 85 strike, 5-7 expiration. Alright, I'm getting in CVS, the 85 call. Ouch. Weeble is lagging pretty hard here. I can't even get a fill if I wanted to. Okay, I'm gonna try my best, see if we can. Yeah, I can't get a fill on anything. Weeble is lagging hard. I'm gonna try to get a fill on CVS here. I alerted it 0.25 right there, but I just can't get in. All right, let's see if this is better. Okay, so CVS is currently at 0.3. If I get in, okay. Order cannot be modified. Trying to buy it. Yeah, oh damn. There's CVS running. That damn contract would be up. Yeah, I can't get a fill on it. I'm trying to get a fill, but Weevil isn't. Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. Filled CVS at 0.24 and up to 0.34. I'll still alert an exit on this because I called out an entry. I just couldn't get a fill. Aim for 85. Once it hits like around here, so 0.34, 0.35, I'd start cashing out some. It's the CVS 85 call. Don't go chasing. I tried to alert it. I mean, I did alert it. I just can't get a fill. Weeble is lagging hard today. So CVS was a good play there. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I mean, I called it out. I just couldn't get a fill personally. It's because Weeble is lagging. It was the 80. It was the 85 strike. Once again, don't go chasing here. Let's see what other plays we got that we can get into. All right, there's Disney at 20%. We have a lot of stocks that are moving. I'll try my best to, cause I'm gonna type out. I'm trying my best to type out alerts on Discord, but I'm managing a couple things at the same time. So, let's see. CVS was a beautiful play right there. If you got in, yeah, that's why I said CVS. I'm happy for whoever got in. I personally just couldn't get in. No, I always trade today's expiration. So, and you see, this is what's kind of the like messing me up here. You see how SPY's on a complete uptrend, and then we have these stocks moving down. So I'm gonna look at something like Tesla if we get over 670. Uh, it's a long shot, but it could be a good idea. All right, There's Tesla over 670. I'm pulling up the strikes. Yeah, CVS is pulling back. That's why I said cash at 0.34 ish to R2K day trade. FOMO, yeah, don't FOMO. That 700 call is looking pretty good on Tesla. Let's see. I'm trying to gauge for an entry. All right. I am going to get in Tesla 700 call in a minute. I'm looking for a retrace down to support. Okay, so the Tesla 700 call at 5.7, it's around 0.85 right now. I'm eyeing for entry around 0.8. So if we can get 0.8, we're going to be pretty solid. It's a 700 strike on Tesla once again. All right. I'm looking for a little bit of reversal. I'm looking for any signs of volume on Tesla. Tesla's just not doing anything here. There we have a slight retrace to support. Mainly, we just don't want this to go under 670. Entered in at 34. Yeah, I said don't enter in. I mean, it's going to curl back up there, but don't FOMO your entries. Like I said, there's much more to come. All right, I am still waiting for entry on Tesla. I like the movement here. Okay. I'm getting in Tesla right now at 0.82. So I'm going to alert it. 5.7 at 0.82. Taking a light play. Okay, there we go. We are at 0.9 now. I am targeting $1 on this trade to sell. And that's going to be some nice profits if we get to $1. If not, my stop is at 0.85. Right now we are up at 0.94. It's moving down. Come on, come on. Oh, damn. Right now I'm looking to see if Tesla can just blast off. I think we can get some more volume. Once again, I got filled around 0.8, 0.84-ish. I'm targeting around $1 to get out. If we can get that. If not, I'll cut around 8.5. There's a delay. Dang it. Alright, next time we're gonna have to do something different. I'm gonna see this once again, this is my first the first time I'm trying to do a live stream. Alright, there's a delay. Okay, so yeah, probably Zoom or something. I mean Zoom, that's only like 100 members. Next time I'm going to I'll keep alerting on Discord as well. So I'll keep doing the same thing that I usually do, like eyeing this call and getting in. I won't I'll try my best to pull that up and show the chart over here on live as well, in case there is a yeah, Twitch, got you. Yeah, it's a little bit tough. I'm trying to manage this, manage some other calls as well. But okay, there's Tesla going back to break even there. Yeah, Tesla's seeing some selling volume here. So it's at like 0.6 right now. I might average down some. So I'm still liking this Tesla trade overall. Ouch. All right, I'm gonna keep a solid stop loss at 0.6. This is so we did have Energy Transfer, which was a gainer, and then we had CBS, which was one. Yeah. Next time I'm gonna look to do Twitch. I never really used Twitch before, but I'm gonna try that. Uh, Same with like YouTube here. It was just, yeah. I'm just trying to see if Tesla's gonna bounce from here. It looks like a nice place to average down, so I might average in a little bit more here. I might, not 100% sure as yet if I will. Alright, so I'm still holding Tesla here. Alright, I'm gonna average in. So I'm in lightly once again. You know, I'm using that same type of strategy that we talked about. Um, I might average in just a few more to bring down my average. But I'm watching Tesla here because I don't want to average down and then Twitch has a delay as well. Yeah, all swings are going to be alerted. Snow is looking pretty well. Yeah, we did essentially get stopped out. I just it passed my stop. I didn't even get the stop out there. GoPro does look pretty good. Tesla is still trying to move if anyone's in. Worst case scenario, I'll stop out of my trade. Oh. Yeah, I'm still holding Tesla here just because I didn't get the stop out. Tesla's around that call is around 0.6 right now. 0.64. So I'm eyeing a potential. Maybe we can average down just a little bit more and then run this call up. I'm waiting to see if we're gonna take get a move against SPY. If not, worst case scenario, keep a stop at 0.6 or 0.05. CVS, once again, I said don't FOMO. If you got in at 0.24, the exit was up at 0.34. Tesla, yeah, you could probably get in. It does look nice here. I mean, I do still like Tesla. I'm just waiting to see if we can get a little bit more green. Okay. All right. So I might average down on Tesla here. Okay, so Tesla's moving back up regardless. That's a good thing. I did not average down on Tesla as yet. It's a 700 call for whoever's asking there. Okay, there we are. Thank you. We're moving back up. Uh, we're back at 0.8. Thank Lord. GoPro doesn't look pretty bad. It's moving back. So Tesla's trying to break out here. I mean, hey, if we can get a good run and we can get out of those calls, that's all that matters. And there it is, going down now. If you're getting in Tesla right now on a second round, please be sure to keep a stop at like break even or wherever you're at. You know, wherever you get in. You average down. Yeah, if you average down, then just be sure to get out. I didn't get the best fill, and I'm trying to manage this trade as it is. So we'll see what happens here. No one sees 0.8. It was just 0.8 like a minute ago or two. Yeah, it was when Tesla went all the way up on this candle to like 6.71. I didn't get, like I said, I didn't fill on, I didn't sell Tesla or anything like that, so, but it definitely did go to like 0.75, 0.8. Right now I'm just eyeing Tesla. We need a break above right here. So this line or this resistance, which is 669.8. Yeah, it did hit 0.8. I still do like this Tesla play. We just need a little bit more volume. So I'm just looking at this right now. If we can get a solid bounce off that line, it's going to be good. If not, worst case scenario, we cut. See, we have SPY pulling up there. So that's already a good sign. All right. Let's see. What's my average is 0.81 on calls. So I'm targeting about 0.8 to get out. Let's see. We just need some more volume here on Tesla. If we get some more volume, we'll be golden. You got in at 0.62. You can keep a stop down at like 0.6 or 0.55 or so. Overall, Tesla's just really trying to break out, and I think it can. You see SPY's pulling up here. We just need Tesla to follow along. That's really it. If it can head back up to here, we'll be pretty solid. A stop loss, mostly I just keep those mentally. I don't set them exclusively. How long are we doing this today? I'm trying to do this for like an hour and a half or so, 10:30ish. But I'm gonna figure out a better way to stream. If like Twitch is gonna be better, this is the 5 minute chart. Um, if you're wondering, I have the watermark on in the background so you guys can tell. So Tesla is trying to re-break that 670 level. Once we get over that, okay, there we go. Um, we're back in the green. Well, not in the well, we're back in the green for Tesla, but not in the call. I'm waiting on the call right now to come around. Okay, there we go. There's SPY coming back. I mean, there's Tesla coming back around. We're at 0.7. I'm trying to see if we can get back around 0.8. Do you do a market stop loss or a limit sell? Typically I do a limit sell. I'm using the 8, 21, 50, and 200 EMAs. We just need Tesla to move up here. Some more volume is ideal. If we can get some more volume on this, it's going to be golden. It ideally has to break out right here. There we go. Let's see. All right, so we have Tesla trying to move a little bit. There we go. We have a nice breakout there. I want Tesla to get up to about right here. So if we draw a trend line, something like this. Now, this is ideally speaking if SPY can get a breakout as well. This is at 0.72. Once again, I'm aiming for 0.8-ish to get out of these calls. Just trying to get out of these. So we're at 0.76 now. There's 672. So you can see, okay, right now we're going to be hitting a resistance. So this is going to be a clean resistance. We're probably going to bounce back down a little bit right there. So we need to blast above. If we can blast above, we're going to be pretty golden. All right, let's see. We have a little break there. If this can hold, we'll be good. All right, there we have a slight drop below. Yeah, the stream is live. I'm just not sure why it's doing that. And make sure you're. Yeah, it says. I mean, it says live and everything. All right, there's 672. We just need Tesla to blast off to about like 673-ish. Else, if it drops below, that won't be good. There's 670. We're going for a slight retest here at the bottom. Yeah, I'm looking at the 5-minute window here. There we go, 671. Once again, I'm looking for. Then look, there's SPY hauling ass over here, and Tesla is just chilling. Okay, there we finally. We need some damn movement on this thing. Thank you. 0.72. See, it's trying to break out hard here. Once it breaks out, I could even see this hitting like 675. Yeah, Tesla might have a quick breakout. SQ is trying to break out, but I'm managing this Tesla trade because I'm in. I have to average down too a little bit. So I'm looking to see if we can get a pop over 672 again. Right now we're at 0.7 on those premiums, 671.5. Yeah, these are auto support and auto resistance. There's Tesla going again. I just really want 0.8 on those premiums. This is where the market doesn't make sense. Yeah, SPY's at an all-time high, 422. Just need Tesla to blast off here. Come on, Tesla, do something. 672.5. Of course, it had to open a new candle there. But you can see we're pretty much in a new zone. If we can get a breakout to 674, this is going to be awesome. Come on, there's 673. Let's do it. Let's do it. 0.76. Come on, can we get 0.8? Yeah, if Tesla doesn't pop, then I'll probably dip. So we need it to pop like this. Okay, there's a nice pop there. We're looking for about 674-ish. Please make sure, once again, you know, scaling is necessary here. Make sure that you're scaling in to your plays with size that you can manage. All right, Tesla's making some nice headway here. There we go. Thank you. Finally, some movement, but the damn premiums aren't moving. We're at 0.8. Once again, I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to. Holy crap! What just happened to these premiums? Tesla is mooning. Uh, I'm just trying. At this point, I'm just trying to get out of the damn call. So I'm trying to get out around 0.84, like right where I got in. That was a insane damn pump. And then we have Tesla going again. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just trying to get out at this point. I don't really want to hold to keep holding. Hope, there we go, 0.84. All right, you know what? I have the opportunity to get out break even right here, but I'm just kind of playing it out a little bit more, being a little bit more risky. All right, I'm selling my contracts at 0.81. So all in all, Tesla did work out. I just kind of got a bad fill. We averaged down, still green on the. All right. Uh, all right, there we go. I just alerted that. As you can see, that was a pretty stressful play. Um, yes. Jeez, I knew that Tesla would pop. We just got a bad fill up here, and then had to MOS is pushing. God damn, we have all these calls, but right now it's just because like the day trades, it's kind of hard to update all of them. And there it is. I mean, I told you guys ZG would go as a winner. Um, CVS. And once again, I know the stream is kind of delayed. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm going to try to fix this next time and explore other options. But for now, at least we had some good plays on Tesla. CVS was Z point or 0. What was it? 0.24 to 0.34. Hey, how's it going? Option alerts. Give this guy a subscribe on YouTube too. He's pretty solid. All right, here we have Riot moving. Riot is a nice one. Let's see what we can get here. Riot would be nice. Those 35 calls could hit. I could see this candle just blasting up if that happens. Snow is moving. It's at a resistance right here. See what snow premiums look like. For sure. Still haven't gotten out of Tesla. Yeah, I got out of Tesla. Even if you didn't get out, it's still gonna offer another entry, another exit soon here. Right, broke major support yesterday. Damn. I'll release the indicator later for auto support and resistance. I'll put it out there. But like I said with Tesla, you saw how we got in at 0.84 right here, then average down here like 0.6 ish, and then got out up here back at 0.8182. So that's the whole thing. Here's Riot gonna push for that 35. If it breaks 35, it can go to possibly 36. Thank you. Yeah, I tried to put on some background music. Piton does look good for puts below this support right here. Let's see. We have a lot of long calls right now, but I just didn't get the chance to update them as yet. Let's see. So there's Riot making a run for it. Yeah, all plays sold for profits. So what was it? Energy transfer went from 0.03 to 0.08 actually, but 0.06 was an exit that I got, and then it kind of went. CVS was 0.24 to 0.34. Tesla was 0.84, and then we averaged down and got out at 0.82. I understand that there's a slight delay in the live, so I'm definitely going to be exploring other options to kind of see how we can I'm going to try to do a live next Friday too. AMD does look pretty good. Piton is tanking. Snow rejected, yeah. I'll let you guys know if I'm getting in a play. Yeah, MOS from all time high. There's that Tesla exit I was talking about that's moving up. Right. Yeah, that's the thing. Even if okay, I'll try to say the time too. Well, that's the thing. I mean, I'm pretty sure the time's not a whole minute, so even if I say it's like 10:17 a.m., it's not really gonna do anything. What's it called? Discord. If I do Discord, the problem is that there's a limit. Even with Zoom, there's a limit. Am I still in Chewy? We got out most of those calls up at, I think it was like 26% or 16% or so, because we averaged down and got out of most. But yeah, we're still swinging lightly, so I'll alert another exit on that. Let's see. What else do we have? Overall, I mean, I'm only up like $22 on the day because I've been trying to manage these plays. That Roku call. Yeah, there was a lot of calls that I kind of pointed out. Even Z was one. We got out that call nice with profits. A lot of people were worried about that. Uh, these that's why we take these longer expirations. Oh, the stream is only delayed by 3 seconds. All right, thank you. Oh yeah, for sure. You see, option alerts. He has a very great point here. Riot is definitely awesome for covered calls, especially with Bitcoin pumping. Like, you just sell calls per week. In fact, I have an account that I just do that on. AMD is moving here, so look, there's Tesla. See, I told you guys I was gonna offer another exit for whoever is still in. please be sure if you're in Tesla to get out. Yes, yeah, like if you're in Tesla, I mean you can like easily move it up, or not move it up. You can easily like sell your calls right now. Like if I check those calls, um, yeah, those Tesla 700 calls are back at zero point 0.8. Please make sure you get out. I'll release a video on covered calls and a whole bunch of stuff, but yeah, just please make sure that you get out. Tesla is, as you've seen, the premiums are very unforgiving. We just got a bad entry on that. CVS, I already alerted to exit on CVS at 0.34. You can see now Tesla's crossing above that next support right here. Yeah, theta does kill Tesla. But yeah, this could run to 680 in a few. And don't be mad if you have calls and or if you got out calls in profit and they would have been more. Profit is profit. AMD is moving. Nvidia, I'm looking for a break of like 600 or so, or this resistance at 597. Hey, thank you. Yeah, a video editor. Um, Fun fact, yeah, I'm not too savvy with these the video editing and all that. Let's see what we got here. Do I think CVS can come back? It all depends. Like I said before, the whole reason when I called out that trade, it was already up a lot, and I was literally just eyeing this pop right here. Like I said, get in here around 0.24, and I was trying to get filled, and I said the exit was right here around 0.34. So there we have Riot that's pushing right above this resistance right here, can go more. Let's see what else we have. Let me check my scanner. See, okay, we got some nice stocks moving that I didn't even look at yet. SFix, this one looks nice. TTD, get some fresh. Actually, I'm going to let me see. I'm gonna add an indicator or alert just in case Nvidia spikes. We have an alert going. GoPro, Groupon. Okay, let's see what else do we have. TTD. TTD might be a nice one. You've lost 200 on CVS. Once again, I said I said about CVS, like please be careful. That one was short term. Tesla did offer two exits, like right up here, here too, and here. Like I pretty much said, just make sure you get out. Clove, thank you somebody for pointing that out. You guys know I love Clove for those 2,000 percenters. Um, I'm gonna keep this one on watch. Let's see what Clove is doing. Yeah, that's exactly it. Remember, this is a Friday. Like I said, if we pull up my trading strategy, what I said this morning, we're going in with less on trades, small amount. Risk management is key. Just because it's me calling it out, like I said, this is all like allocated for in my trading method. Solar is I have no idea. Oh, BIDU does look pretty nice. Thank you somebody for pointing that out. So I'm watching all these right now. Yeah, another exit for Tesla. Tesla will probably blast up. Um, Once again, with Friday calls, you have to be patient. Yeah, I will. I'll make a video on all that. There's Tesla, you can see. Tesla loves to do this where it goes down and then pulls right back above support and then rockets, or it might even go in the next candle. So Tesla isn't bad. Yeah, I know. I apologize for that. I know that the premiums can go pretty fast. I try to put out different plays, so we have like swing plays, small count two that go slower. Um, for day trades, some of these can go fast because once again they're volume based, and I'm looking for that breakout. That's why I put like eyeing this trade, so then you can pull up the chart or even have up your calls as well, and you can see like okay, I'm looking for a break of resistance or something, and you can that'll help you to get an entry on the trade as well. Thank you. Appreciate it. I wish I could do yeah, laser TLRY, those are all still hold. You can see like Z and all that we're getting, what's it called? Like we're getting out of those slowly. They're profiting day by day and we're able to get out. I just turned up my mic a little bit more. Overall, you can see the market's just kind of bad. So we had a couple plays. Uh, I'll just put those out here. We had ET that went 0.03 to 0.06. I mean, technically it went to 0.08, but we got out most there. CVS was 0.24 to 0.34, and let me just minimize this a little bit. What's it called? What was the last one? Tesla. We got in at 0.84. Um, average down at 0.6. So all in all, my average was around, wait, what? And then we got stopped out. Yeah, once again, yeah, we did get stopped out. If you got in at 0.4, I said that my stop was around 0.8 or 0.7. Uh, and that's it. Like I said on live stream, I tried to stop out, but because I'm doing so many things at the same time, I didn't get stopped out. And I had to average down. So if you did get stopped out, it's okay as well. I'm gonna say that as well. So 0.484 average down at zero point 0.6, and I said that, like, even at zero point 0.6 you can make another entry. So all in all, the exit was at 0.82. If you got stopped out, so there was a stop alerted if you got caught in. So it's okay if you stopped out. Um, I just didn't get the chance to stop out. If I did have the chance to stop out, I would have. So don't get me wrong there. CBS, yeah, there's CBS going again. I'm gonna watch this. Once again, guys, this is like my first time doing. I mean, I've done a lot of live streams, but live stream trading. Usually I do it from like Instagram or TikTok or something. So, next time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to pull up maybe like Instagram or pull up like something else or Twitch, just to have something else going. CVS does look pretty nice here if we can get over 85. For anyone that's still stuck in that trade, you're still in. I will not be releasing my Discord link on here just because we have multiple people from all over different servers. This is just generically a live trading session. Yeah, the exit for the long ET calls were up at 0.85 as well. Yeah, you could sell CVS break even. Once again, that's what I was telling you guys. These calls take patience. These calls, like you saw with Tesla, this went down before going up. That's why I said before I got in this morning, the trading strategy is going in with a small amount because they may create excessive losses. On the daily, Monday to Thursday, I'm looking for break even or negative 10%. But like you saw with Tesla, I couldn't even get filled at negative 10%, and I had to hold. Um, so it's kind of just like that. So you can see CVS is trying to break out here. If this gets over 85, this is going to be pretty nice. Yeah, none of them are. Yeah, I will release the name of the algos later and all that. But and my indicators. You can see Snow's trying to move up here too. A lot is kind of moving on low volume. Oh, look at this. Whoever's into trading penny stocks. If Turbo's in here, MGI is awesome. Yeah, I wish that I could do this type of live more. I'm in school and in work too. You're in Tesla, in heavy at 0.87. Uh, hey, what's up, Doc? How's it going? If you're in heavy at 0.87, Tesla may get another pop here, but once I said like I said before, the exit was at 0.80. You just want to be careful with the you know, staying in. So make sure you keep a stop loss on the Tesla there. What scanner do you have? So I use a couple scanners. I have one that I created. It's a volume breakout scanner. I can't really release that. I have just eye for stocks down Robinhood watch list, like I said before. So I can show you how this works. I just pull up Robinhood. I don't have any money in it, but like kind of just scrolling down here and seeing what's moving. So you can see that BIDU is moving right now. So this might be a nice one to keep on watch, just for reference. We have CVS that's moving as well. This might offer a nice play. There's BIDU blasting. Yeah, I use Weeble. Let's see what else we got here. Close. BIDU is trying to make some higher highs. Yeah, that's what I said. Don't go for not even 10% of your account. I go 5%. Are you majoring in the stock market? No. My major is mechanical engineering, and I'm also doing my master's. But none of I learned trading and the stock market and all that on my own. So BIDU does look pretty good here. Okay, I'm gonna look at BIDU. Let's see if we can get some more volume. Okay, BIDU is currently at 197. If I entered, I would enter those 200 calls. Once again, we pumped significantly from here, so I'm just looking to see if we can catch a little bit more of a run before entering. Okay, so right now the BIDU 200 call. There's Tesla popping back for that guy, Persian Ninja. Uh, there's Tesla popping back for you. So I'm gonna alert on Discord as if I was normally doing this, eyeing uh Bidu 200C57 at. Oh, there's NVIDIA. See, that's exactly why we set our alerts. So if a stock is crossing, we can see. So there's NVIDIA. I know another guy was playing this some time back. So I'm eyeing an entry for BIDU. Once again, don't take this as yet. This might do the same thing Tesla did. I expect this to fall or retrace at least a little bit. Wasn't up at all. It's 0. Yeah, it did go up. So when I first got in, it was at 0.03, and then it went up to 0.08. In fact, you can check the stats on the call, and I got out some at 0.06, and then from there it just moved. It went back to 0.05, then 0.04, and so on. Okay, Nvidia does look kind of good here too, so I'm gonna wait for a retrace on the next candle, see what happens. I'm gonna try my best to see how often I can do these types of streams. There's Tesla. Please, if you're in Tesla, I can't keep stressing this enough. Please get out because or not even please get out. Just make sure you're keeping a stop because, yeah, like I said, it got there quick to 0.08, but I didn't get out at 0.08. I got 0.06. You can hold if you're in Tesla, that guy that's holding it, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be back at break even soon or in profits. So just make sure that Yeah. Yeah, this stream will be saved. So it's being recorded right now. BIDU is trying to move up. Tesla as well, you can kind of see that. Once again, if I took BIDU, it would be that 200 call. We're going to need to get a little bit more volume, though, on it. I'm just looking for a retrace. I want to retrace before we go higher. Okay, so I'm eyeing BIDU. It does look pretty good to get into. Nvidia looks good as well. I'm trying to pick between these two. These both are good. There's Tesla for you. I told you guys, like, there's Tesla. BIDU still is moving up. I love this play. I wish I could get in. Yeah, I can't really get in on BIDU. If anyone got in, that's a plus for you. It was at 0.44, now 0.66. Nvidia, I would be looking at that 605 strike. There's Tesla. I mean, even if we look at the Tesla premiums, yeah, it's a mental stop loss. Like, I don't set an actual stop loss. I mean, if we look at May 7th, we had those 700 calls. Yeah, they're coming back. Like, just make sure, like, even if you average down or something or whatever you might do, there's Clove coming back up again. Really, the bottom three on this chart is what I'm looking at. Yeah, 70%. That's why I love Friday expiration. So if you got in, good for you. I didn't get to alert an official entry on that. SKLZ is ripping. Nvidia does look kind of nice. Yo, how about Amazon? Oh, SKLZ does. If SKLZ gets above here, oh, okay. Let me pull up SKLZ strikes. Where do you study? Let's see. SKLZ, what is this, 5.7? 16.5 calls are 0.2 and 0.25. If we get enough volume on SKLZ, I might enter. He ain't gonna say. See, I would say, but I'm not like 100% sure if I should. Um, Look, BIDU, like I said, there's the rocket on it. You're negative 270. Keep a stop loss, like if at negative 300 or so, you know, once again, I said, like, don't go heavy. Yeah, that's exactly it. Don't, you'll get stop. Hey, what's up, Jalen? How's it going? Uh, I wish I could stream every day. SKLZ looks nice. I'm eyeing that 16.5 strike. Down 0.0. I didn't even know 0.005 is something. Yeah, that's why it's a risky trade. Whenever you're getting on those ones like that are less than 0.1, it's still kind of bad. Um, Alerts and average down would be, yeah, you can get in on the average down. That's because obviously if they're averaging down, they were looking to go up. Yeah, definitely. I'm not saying you're dumb, but definitely make sure that you're going in with a light amount. This is my trading strategy on a Friday. Like, I acknowledge this. Okay, I'm getting in skills that's 16.5 strike at 0.25. 16.5C, 5.7 at 0.25. I'm targeting, let's see if we can get to like 0.3 plus on it kind of thing. Oh, there's our pop. We got a nice pop there. Up about $50 on it. So I only average down if I'm certain of like a move back up. Tesla was kind of one of those. I was a little bit more certain that it was gonna, give a nice opportunity there. There we go. There is skills popping. I'm up 30% and 150. I got about 20 contracts on it. Looking for about, let's see if we can get to, okay, I'm gonna sell half at 0. Ah, dang it, I can't get out. Let's wait on the next candle. $0.25. The mid is 0.3. Trying to see if we can get some more volume to push into the next. I'm eyeing for 0.35 for an exit. Currently at 16.62. Alright, I am selling some at 0.3. So I got filled at 0.31 on this. This doesn't look that significant, but it is. Like 0.3, that's some nice profits right there. That's still 30% and more than 30% in profit. No way. You gotta be kidding me. F-Cell is up. Jesus Christ. That thing, oh my god. What in the world? I think God just answered my prayers. This thing would not move for nothing. Like, it wouldn't move for dead. SKLZ is still trying to break out here. I still can't believe F-Cell is finally up. That thing just didn't move for dead. Alright, let's see. Wow, look what Tesla just did there. Holy crap. Persian Ninja, whoever, whatever, you should definitely have gotten out there. That strike is now bright in the green. Look at that. They hit a high of, you're way in the green now. Please make sure you get out. Whoever that Persian Ninja guy is. I told you guys Tesla's gonna make a run for it. I sold the rest of my, selling the rest of skills, break even at 0.25. I told you, please do not sleep on profits, Ninja. Look, it's at $1 right there. $1. That's 700 call. Like, you can't want much more than that. I told you guys Tesla was gonna go. F-Cell, I still can't believe that crap finally moved. Let's see. You gotta be goddamn kidding me. F-Cell moved. Let's see. We had those on. We had the F-Cell 9 call for 611. So if I go to 611, it's at 0.94 from 0.67. Wow. F-Cell 9 call 611, now 0.94 from 0.67. Be sure to take profits. I am scaling out. I still can't believe that thing finally went green. Let's see what else. So that's the whole thing behind patience. Like, you know, I told you guys those swings take a long time. TSM, Tesla now 1.15. Yeah, I told you guys. Tesla is now 1.15. These things take patience to hold. I mean, I got out around there. I still don't mind that type of exit though. That look at that. Tesla hit 690. You bought puts on skills. Good luck with that. Sold Neo calls for 4K loss. Yeah. Once again, where is that ninja guy? Uh, and you see, this is exactly what I mean. If you go in with a small enough amount, you can hold through all of those dips. Obviously, I averaged it down, so I had more money in it, so I already got out. All right, let's see what else we got here. Short listing a stock. Uh, Kenny got into Tesla at 0.81. That's exactly where I exited, like 0.82 ish. So yeah, I'll send out more details on the indicator later. Right now, just kind of going with the flow. Like I said already, that's the whole thing with Friday expirations. Oh, don't tell me BXRT is moving too. Just exited Tesla. Yo, the Persian Ninja, did you get out of Tesla? Like, I hope you did. I'm gonna have to exit the live stream in about like 5 minutes. Yeah, 20% in 14 seconds. Pulled an R2K. Hey, finally. Yeah, you guys got out. Workhorse. A lot of the calls are bright green. Um, I mean, I don't even know what other calls we had. Like Disney. Um, Boeing is rocketing. TLRY. TLRY might also. Let's see. A TLRY option. We had TLRY the 18 call for 618. Let's see what that's at. That's at 1.52. Okay, that still has some way to go, but it still has is way back up from where we got in. Dot kissing R2K, you're awesome. Nah, I got out of skills. I learned it on Discord as well. Um, Once again, I'm sorry if the stream is delayed by any minute or something. I made so much profit. Thank you. I'm in here. Welcome. Once again, I told you with these calls, they require patience, especially on a Friday. Uh, these calls aren't. They can go -20, negative 30% just because. Can I continue live? Um, let me see. I don't know if I can continue live, but I'm gonna try to. I'll try my best to. I'm gonna be like all right. I'll tell you guys what. I'll be on live for a little bit more. Um, just so here's the whole deal. I have like a quiz I gotta take in like 5 minutes or so, but I'll just stay on live. I'm not gonna take it on my other screen, but I'll just be on. I won't just be like talking as much. Yeah, just school things. So usually I'm like juggling these things throughout the day. Live quiz. I could even show you guys my quiz. That would be kind of funny. Uh, yeah, I'm just doing a quick quiz. I'll be back in like about a minute or so. That's hilarious. Yeah, I'll put on my camera next time. Right now my camera isn't working. Like I tried it, and my camera is just like it's showing purple for some reason. I don't know why. I think Facebook is moving. I have some alerts set. What class? It's heat transfer. You know what? I'll just for the fun of it. Um, I just did my quiz. So yes, I do go to University of Delaware. This is a quiz I had to do. I'm gonna submit it. Let's see what happens. 100%. Let's go. Back to trading now. Haha, check that out. I just did a quiz in like 3 minutes. So there we go. All right, back on to trading now. Thank you. All right, let's get some more. Yeah, it's all good. I don't mind giving away my university. I'm done from there. End of this year, anyways. FCell is moving beautifully. On another note, um, I'm up like 111 on the day in the challenge account. So, uh, looks like biology. Nah, it's what's it called? Heat transfer. So engineering. TLRY is still on the grind up. I love this thing. You see, there it is. That's what we're waiting for. You see this like 17% in a day. Yeah, I work too. I work at a power plant. I work at a corporate office. So usually throughout the day, I'm bouncing between skills. Good entry here. Let me take a look. F book. Facebook is making a nice high here. Skills. I think we had an MOS swing, I believe. I can't even remember half of these things. Um, I think we had a long swing on MOS that paid again. It was like 917 expiration, I believe. Yeah, so we had the 40 call for 917 on MOS. Let's see how that is paying. That is at 2.74. Yes, that's pretty much right where we got back. We got in at 2.8-ish on that one. So that one's going back up. Where do you call our swing? Same thing. MVIS. Don't tell me Mavis is moving. Oh, that's a good observation there. You see, I like this type of thing, but the only problem is that MVIS offers what's it called? Monthly expiration. So you don't really get like the full Friday type pump on it. So it's still something that I'm gonna look into. Let's see if we can get a nice play on MVIS. Can you check Veil? I'm up on it currently. So Veil is a nice one to cash, rinse, and repeat. Let's see, MVIS. Uh, let's see what type of those 19 calls on MVIS have hella volume. I would probably go closer in. I'd go like that 17 strike or something. What browser am I using? It's Vivaldi. Do I think there's any chance for ET? Probably. It all depends. It's forming an inverse head and shoulders right here, very small. It could shoot up from here. Let's see Nvidia. Nvidia popped for a second and went to like 599-ish and then kind of went down. Let's see what else we got. You said thoughts on Snap. Wow, Disney profited huge. Um, let's see, what else do we have? Do I still work? Yeah. I answered that one. Yeah, I still work. I work at a power plant doing corporate office stuff. Uh, let's see, MVIS is still going. Laser, yeah, we're looking. So any long calls that you might have in question, we're looking to average down and run them up. You see, this is exactly what I mean. You just buy those long calls and like TLRY and Z and all those, they pop at some point in time. You just catch those pops, and if you need to, you average down once on them. That's the great thing with uh, small expiration. What are your hours at this so-called power plant? Um, it all depends. So I'm working throughout the day. I work on and off. So I kind of work on my own hours doing So, why do I still work? That's a great question right there. I don't know why I still work. It's kind of like it's kind of like a backup plan just in case anything doesn't work out. So that's why I finished my what's it called? SUS. That's why I still do have a screener. Um, you average down. No, I didn't average down on the AI call. He's in witness protection. Homer Simpson. You guys are hilarious. What charts are these from? These are on TradingView. So you can see right here we have a lot of kind of sideways movement. SPY is trying to form a head and shoulders here. So it could go for another pump and then fall. Or it could go for another pump and just shoot up. Like, how old am I? Guess. I'll give you a hint. My birthday is coming up in like 11 days. I really need that auto support and auto resistance indicator. You guys are really close. Yeah. Oh, one person caught it. What was your question? What did you have to do a senior design project for school? Yeah. Jesus, 65. No, I'm 70. Yeah, I'm 20. I'm about to be 21. That's pretty funny. Hey, birthday in 9 days. Let's go. What project? So I built a go-kart from scratch in high school. Are you holding workhorse into next week? We scaled out of most of workhorse. I think we're still holding some. Workhorse hit like 20% up. You can feel free to scale out whenever you want. Uh, like workhorse right now, if we pull up that call, let's see. As a 20-year-old working at a power plant, it's mostly because like I'm on the business side of things. So I also have my certification in accounting and business, and I have two other degrees as well. So all around. Turn up the background music a little bit. I can. I'll turn it up just a little bit so you guys it doesn't interfere with my voice or anything. Workhorse, we have those October 15th calls. I don't even remember the damn expiration on these things. Let's see. Uh, Workhorse is the 10-15-13 call. So that's 1.66. Wait, am I looking at the right? The previous close was 1.57. Oh, no, I'm talking about yeah, so we have those swings. Those are down a little bit right now. I'm going to average down on this one and run it up again. But once we get above 10, that's going to be good. I'm looking for, yeah, we're going to average down on that and then run it up. That workhorse call we just called out. What was it? The 521.47 call. That was, Scott's, let's see, 47. Wait, did I say 47? 11 call. That is at 0.58 from 0.52. It hit a high of 0.60. So feel free to cash this whenever you want. 521 expiration, so it's still good. Yeah, my last 2 years of high school, I was going to college. Yeah, all I can tell you guys is just that like there's I taught myself to trade. There's like anything's possible, especially if you're a lot of you guys are still young. If you're still in high school or anything like that, um, just like anything, whatever you want to do, just put your mind to it. Like trading and all that. I mean, I told you guys already. I blew up 3, 4 accounts. I didn't know, like how to trade or anything like that, and I learned over time. And this is where it taught. This is where it took me. Like you saw, I've completed many challenges by now. So if I pull up my trading log, I mean, right now the market's pretty flat, so I'm just gonna do this for the time being. I'll let you guys know. But so this was the 10K to 170K that we did. I did in March. So we started with 10K, and at the end of March, 170K was ended with. That was one challenge account we did. 81% win rate, 3,800 percent total, and it was a if you took one contract of every play, that's 38,000. It's like that type of thing. Just did the 5K to 10K in 8 days, and so on and so forth. So, um, How much money did I lose? I probably lost like a good like 8K or so, like overall. And that was it. Like I just kept working, so like I was fixing cars and stuff. I'll answer that in a second. When did I start learning? I just started learning like I'm always learning, but I started learning when I was maybe like 18, really, like really learning and so on. But I've been trading for about 7 years, not 17. Been trading since I was 2. That'd be hilarious. VXRT is getting some nice movement. I'm gonna pull up the strikes on VXRT just in case this one starts moving. You guys are good. Skills. How do I get your attention? You already got my attention. From where do I learn all this? So once again, like I try to put out YouTube videos and all that. I'm going to give me a unicorn R2. All right, bet. Looking at VXRT right now, if this gets enough volume, this thing can rocket. Uh, VXRT is one that likes to run on Fridays. Let's see, like Clove or something. Nah. Let me check some scanners. See what we got here. Let's see, we got TTD, SFix. See, the main thing is that we're green on the day. We had some nice plays already. GoPro. BIDU was even a beautiful play. I know some people got in and got like a 70% on that. Are you an eToro? Can we copy your account? I submitted my application to become a mate in your mansion. Oh my god. How do you know which contract to buy? Typically I go for the ones with the highest volume. I will release it later. Don't worry. Um, you are a goat. Keep rocking. Thank you guys. I appreciate all the support. And once again, like, if there's any recommendations you guys have or anything, like, for alerts, like, just let me know. You can always send me in my DMs. I was in your guys' places too. Like, that's how I learned, I was taking, nah, ScottBot 2.0. He's not my alt account. So he helps, man. He does like the swings and small account. Like, he really eyes those reversals. Uh, I help with the exits and so on. Can you trade in my account for a week? That's hilarious. Can you share some of your? Yeah, I'll share some of my resources to start learning. I'll put out some more. I need a bot that buys anything automatically. How do you sell options? Yeah, I do a limit order. So let's see what we got moving here. I mean, that pretty much everything's just flat. We had some nice profits already on the day. CVS does look like it wants to move. Let's see. Are you doing a challenge right now? Yeah. So I did 5K to 10K. Um, I mean, I can pull up my account. Uh, I think it's at 11.2 or like almost 11.3 ish. Yeah. Can you make APS on Friday? Oh, you guys are hilarious. Oh boy. Let me log in over here. There we go. I should be logged in. Okay. Um, let's see what the account balance is at. Once again, I'm just gonna move this away. Got some weird people. Yeah, look, so that's 11,286. Got some nice, you can see skills and has some weird ass plays, but that's that. I'll follow the small account challenge. That will help a lot. Can you explain your short retracement method? Wait, what? When you're placing orders? Yeah, don't use Robinhood. Robinhood will screw you over on fills. 2009 350Z. What? Oh, definitely my phone. I always trade on my phone. I can't trade on my desktop quickly for my life. If I traded on my desktop, you guys would get orders like, if you think like a split second is probably late, you'd probably get them like 10 years later. I can't place them fast enough. Are you friends with Danny Devin? No, I know of him. Which phone? Which phone? I have an iPhone 11. Just a regular. How long are you trading for? I'm gonna stop out maybe like 11:30 or so. You have multiple phones. I got two phones. It's hilarious. Do you recommend entering your plays immediately or wait a bit? So I would definitely. Oh yeah, if you're so two things. If you're Canadian, I know you guys have to pay what's it called, commissions. So you're gonna want to look for contracts that are above like $1, $2, just to make sure you're covering your commissions. What are you guys saying? What are you going? Where are you gonna put out? No, so I'll put out those resources in the channel, like in the bot channel. Let's see. Sorry, I was just trying to separate out the questions here. Do you recommend entering your plays immediately? So I'd say just make sure that like you kind of evaluate them so you can pull up the chart and just say like, okay, what does he see in this play? Like what is he looking for? And so on and so forth. There's let's see. Apps is moving up beautifully as well. This might be a nice one. Which numbers should we look at? So just overall, like you want to look at the volume factor. Apps is pretty nice here. You can see it's getting a nice break above. I'll show you guys how this works. So if we take a line, put this here. You could even do something like this type of thing. And a break above would be ideal. I mean, if we know that this is going to be a resistance right here, so this would be pretty nice. Lift is on a tier. Roku died, funny. Ah, dang. Can you give your Discord link for... No, I'm sorry about that, I can't. When did you start trading? I started trading like... So I started out with crypto and stuff. I'd say really... I've been trading for about 7 years, but in terms of like really starting to trade and understanding everything, I'd say about 2 years and stuff. Use volume indicator on TradingView. Yeah, this is TradingView. For option trading, I definitely recommend Webull. Do I still do crypto? Every once in a while, but I don't focus on it. Alright, apps looks like it might give a nice play if it pops here. So I'm going to keep this on watch. Let's see. The app strikes are kind of bad, even if I did want to enter. Once again, guys, if anybody's mentioning like any discords, there's many discords in here. This stream is just generic, not mentioning any discords or anything in here. So there's a lot of people from different places, but we're all just here in this stream, trading right now, and here for one common purpose. So there's not going to be any releasing of Discord information. Once again, guys, I can't really put that out there. So apps doesn't look half bad. If I got into apps, let's see which call I would take. That 66.5 call doesn't look half bad, or 67. Yeah, I would probably take the 66.5 one if I got in. But once again, we see SPY here. Like I said, this is the head and shoulders we're looking at. Are you not limited on the number of day trades? No. So if you use a cash account, you can have unlimited day trades on settled cash. Do I do coding? Yeah, I can code. How do you decide which contract to take? I usually go with the one with the most volume. Right now, the one with the most volume is the 65 call. But if I did buy that, that would be at 1.65. So I'd be putting down 1,600 on like 10 contracts. I'd rather just go a little bit out the money on that 66.5 call. Why not take a 65? Yeah, you could take 65. But that's just it. I'm not trying to put down like 1.65 per that. I'll mention the algo later. I'll send it out for you guys. Tesla flagging. Yeah, it technically is, but this is a type of flagging that will kill calls and puts. So yeah, volume is pretty bad today. What color is your Ferrari? Uh, the color of my Ferrari is like is imaginary. MGNI chart, please. Yeah, since nothing's moving, might as well. Damn. Thank you for calling that out. This actually looks like a nice play. Apps is coming around here. Um, I'm gonna go to this chart here, pull up apps as well, and I'm gonna pull up the 15-minute. So ideally, I'm looking for a break above 66.5 here. I mean, there's a resistance right here, so it's gonna be a little bit. Check Amazon. Amazon does look really good. That's a nice double bottom here, especially if SPY bounces. So thank you for that. Is your Z modded? What? You mean like a what's it called? Like a Nissan 350Z or something? Yeah, for sure. eBay been moving all morning. You're seeing Apple. I haven't even looked. Damn, Apple looks pretty nice. Um, Amazon, there's Amazon about to move. Uh, right now I'm just looking between apps and Amazon. No, I don't drive a Nissan 350Z. Let's see what Amazon's looking at, like those strikes. So we got into an Amazon call. I would probably take the honestly 3400 isn't bad. If I took that 3400 call, that wouldn't be completely bad. It's like 0.46. Let's see. I feel like we can get a nice breakout with Amazon, but as you can see, like there's gonna be a bit of a resistance right here, like maybe even about right here. So I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. Do I limit order, buy, and sell? Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, I already went over the trading strategy earlier this morning. I'm gonna post the recording of my live to the channel just in case anyone missed it. Yeah, I use limit orders. MGNI does look pretty good here actually. So I'm gonna save the 3400 call for Amazon to my watch list. Um, and I'm gonna look at some other calls right now. Let's see. So we have that apps call, that Amazon call is on my watch list too. Let me look at MGNI. MGNI doesn't. MGNI actually looks pretty nice. It has May 21st strikes. Uh, if you were going to enter MGNI, I would probably look around that $45 strike or so. But you see, that's the whole reason you see apps here. That's why you wait for the breakout before taking that play. Amazon does look pretty nice here. I might actually take a play on this. Alright, I am going to enter the Amazon 3400 call at 0.44. I'm going to take a very light play here. Let's see what we can pull on this. It's at 0.48 right now. See if we can get to like, so now we're at 0.5. Great. So we're above like 10% or so. And once again, guys, like I'm calling these out, but feel free to scale out whenever you want. It's at 0.48. Ouch. It's going to retest support a little bit there. Those premiums are still holding steady. Feel free to sell. I'm still in, of course. We're still up. Spy calls here. Yeah, I'm in those Amazon calls. Why do you say light play? Once again, it's a Friday expiration. I talked about this morning about playing light on these calls. Uh, that's the whole thing there. And I'm on your. Oh my God, AP exams. Make sure you study. AP exams. I remember taking those. My only advice would be timing. Like, make sure you allot time and good luck. Yeah, for you guys that maybe didn't get to catch it, um, this is the sizing. 5% or less on trades. I'm going in like 200, 300. I'm going in very light. Yeah, you can get it on any type of computer, Mac or anything. Uh, what do you hate about UD? So yeah, I go to UD. It's all right. It's just like so I'd probably say like I thought like mechanical engineering, like when I was going into college, I thought it was gonna be like uh something I really liked and so on. But later on when I did an internship, I realized like it wasn't really what I wanted to do. So that's when I kind of started focusing on my own like trading and all that. mRNA looks beautiful. That's an inverse head and shoulders right there. If we draw a neckline across the top, we're looking about right there. So that is beautiful. I mean, if we get over VWAP, there is Amazon popping. We're at 0.50. Um, let's see. Okay, there's 0.52. So we're currently 20% up. All right, I'm going to scale out of some here. So whenever I say scale out of some, that means like 2/3 position I'm looking to get out of. Um, so I'm selling at 0.50 right now. I only had 10 contracts, so there we go. Like I said, that's the thing with these Friday expirations. If you get in at 0.44, that's 40 like $440. You get out at 0.50, that's $550. So you know, like or not five sorry, $500. That's like a $60 gain right there. You take those small profits and build. And look, Amazon's going up right now. It's still 20%. So I got out of 2/3 of my position. So I sold 6 of my contracts right there. I have 4 left. I'll alert an exit on those. Yeah, I'm now 23% on Amazon. Uh, my stop profit is going to be at 0.48 on the rest of my calls. Uh, I kind of messed that up in alerts. You can see that, yeah, mRNA is trying to move. Apps is trying to move up again. We want to look for a clean break of resistance up there. Yeah, I wish I could stream every day, but unfortunately I can't really. Apps is nice. Um, I'm looking at this one right now. See if we can get a nice play on this. So apps, the spread is kind of bad on it though. That's the only thing I'm worried about. What's the strike on apps? If I entered, it would be that 66.5 strike. It does look really nice here. It looks really tempting to get in. Right now, I mean, you said the 16.5 strike is now down to 0.12. What do I do? Let me pull up the chart of scales for you. So this is forming a head and shoulders right here. I'd wait to see if it breaks. If not, then I would work on, what do you say? Yeah, if it doesn't break there, I would hold, but if it does, then I'd stop out. So we have Amazon getting a little bit of volume against the market there. Uh, let's see, what's Amazon at right now? Amazon's at 0.48, so I'm gonna sell the rest of my calls just to be safe. I mean, we can sell the rest here. I'm gonna wait just like a split second. Worst case scenario, I end up selling at 0.47 or something like that. Uh, I'm just looking. Yeah, that's what I really wanted to see. Because if we go green on this candle, this can push Amazon up. No, I'm not always on mic, but no, I don't care about pre-market or aftermarket because those are different volume. Okay, so there's the little bit of a drop we got there. It's 0.45, 0.47. Uh, I'm still holding for the time being. I'm okay with letting this play go a little bit. I'm just gonna keep a stop at break even now. So we're at 0.45 and 0.46 as the mid. Yeah, today's a very yeah, we're still holding WFC. Today's a very low volume day. That's why these plays are kind of and it's mostly low volume because you see SPY pumps so much. Uh, yeah, it's harder. I don't know. I think the stream is delayed, but I don't know why. I'm trying to send the alerts out. Why not do this full time like the stream? Paper trading before using money. That's a little bit of a rough one to be honest because uh paper trading is like different from when you have your own money. There's Amazon a little bit red. Okay, we're back at 0.45. Those Amazon calls are bouncing around, but essentially I would say you have to press live. Uh, I mean, is there a button that I pressed for live? Like, I'm pretty sure I pressed live somewhere. Uh, I mean, I can't really review the. Let's see. I'm gonna drag this to my other page. Oh boy. Of course I pulled this up. All right. Let's see. All right. I'm still in Amazon. It's trying to move against the market a little bit. It's at 0.46, 0.47. Okay, good. No delay. Uh, right now we're at 0.44. I think I'm gonna stop out the rest of the Amazon break even. It's 0.46 right now. It's a hard decision here because Amazon's at a resistance. Who all's in your contributor channel? How long are your long swings? So the thing with swings is we choose a very far expiration typically so that we have a lot of time on those swings. And there's Amazon moving a little bit there. Uh, they can profit like next day or so. Biden speaks in a few minutes. Yeah, I'll be sure to sell all my calls then. Is GM going up? Can you check? Yeah, I can take a look at GM for you. So, what's it called? Amazon is getting some nice forward movement here. I'm gonna sell my Amazon calls just to be safe. I think I'm gonna exit this type of mess. So right now, what are we at? We're at 0.45. So I'm gonna sell the rest of my Amazon calls here. I'm gonna alert it. So I'm out of all my Amazon calls. I got filled at 0.46 on that, but there we go. Is GM what in the world? Okay. Uh, yeah, I mean GM is like it could bounce from the support right here. I read your question the first time, by the way. Yeah, I mean you could see SPY is getting under this. Actually, we could play SPY puts. That might not be a bad idea. Let me check out SPY puts. See what they're at. So SPY puts. Okay. SPY puts might not be a bad idea. That 421 put if we get some more downside here. Let's see. And now obviously I'm looking for same day expiration if I'm getting in. And once again, that all depends here because you know I still think we have to retest before we drop. So it's not like a for sure type of move. Yeah, I'm just eyeing it here roughly right now. But those 421 puts could be good. They're at 0.29 right now. Wouldn't be a bad play. All depends on how volume drops off here. So it's kind of struggling to break here. Yeah, Amazon did pop. It's okay though. I don't mind. Those calls are still in the 0.4647 range. Uh, I think what's happening is time decay is going to kill these. So if I wanted to go back in Amazon, we'd have to go with a closer strike. Though Amazon doesn't look half bad. Yeah, Amazon's getting volume. If I did go in a call, yeah, there's that 3400 call moving a little bit now. Uh, Not as yet. That 3380 call doesn't look half bad. Going in on a different call. I could focus on trading full. I could trade full time if I wanted to, uh, but I just personally like to explore other paths as well. Do I ever use the 1 minute? Nah, the 1 minute would give me a heart attack. No joke at all. Apps doesn't look half bad for some reason. I still like apps here if we can get a solid type of breakout, but the problem is the spreads are just a little bit bad. All right, since you guys are mentioning eBay so much, I'm gonna take a look at it. Oh, that's beautiful. Might not be, but apps is amazing. Like it would be an awesome play to take. It's just the spreads on it suck, and I really don't want to get caught in a play with bad spreads. Any ERs to switch into the next. Personally, I don't think I want to jump into any calls here, just because Biden speaking. I feel like this is a retest right here. This could very well just drop off. Though apps like this does look pretty good. If it squeezes a little bit, it can go up. So bad spreads, I mean, like if you look at apps, that 67 call right now, the bid is 0.4, the ask is 0.55. So if we bought at 0.55, no, don't average down on WFC. It's a long expiration, but at least I'm not. 0.55. You buy like 10 contracts, that's 550. And if you want to sell the next minute, that's $400. So like you lose 150 automatically. I just don't like those large spread plays. Microsoft, do they have earnings or down like 200 on Apple? Apple should trend upwards with SPY. Those Amazon doesn't look half bad right now. But I just personally won't enter it because those calls are getting killed on premium. Out on the ranch. What time is Biden speaking? I think he's speaking in a few minutes. I didn't really get to check on that. Long Microsoft. It's up a lot here already. I'm not sure if it's worth getting into. That's the thing. If we look at most plays here, most of them just don't like. Look, there's the retest of that line right there on SPY. I'll zoom in on that chart. But now it's forming like an inverse head and shoulders type, so it could also do something like that. Or even if we move this up a little bit, like right there. So I'd wait for this retest to completely play out before I take any other plays. Well, let's go to the. I'm ready for the next trade. I'm just eyeing some right now. mRNA doesn't look half bad actually. Let me pull up that chart. Like it's bouncing from VWAP there, but this would only play out if SPY gets enough volume too. But let me pull up mRNA strikes just in case we can pull a play on it. Yeah, I'll release more details on that later. mRNA, that's the thing you see, like it's not holding here, and that's exactly what I was talking about with SPY not holding at this point. We could either this could go like two ways, but we could get a strong sell off at this point, or we can get some strong upside. Yeah, he's speaking now. 11 a.m. EST. Yeah. So look at that. There's SPY just moving upwards. Like we could play SPY, but then again we're playing same day expiration. That's like playing with fire. So you have like Amazon and stuff moving up, but the problem is they're moving so slow. Like it's not going to move those premiums as fast or anything. No, it's like volume. You can see on like the volume indicator at the bottom here, which I sent out earlier in the chat. But also, I'll send it out on. I'll send out like a couple notes after on my alert channel as well. Yeah. No, no, no. The blue lines are so the green ones are mine that I drew. The blue ones are auto support and auto resistance. Spy looks that's the thing. Yeah, spy puts would be ideal, but you see how spy's pumping here and going above those pattern lines. I just don't think it's worth the risk. Like you see, look, Amazon's taking off there as well. Yeah, Amazon's pumping. That 3400 call, and that's the thing. The 3400 call isn't even getting that much volume. Yeah, yeah, I've traded SPX a few times. Personally, I just stick to regular stocks. I could trade SPX. I do it multiple times. I did it one Friday actually, in like I think it was like 2 or 3 Fridays ago, and I ripped off like 50% easily. But there's been times I loaded like a couple thousand% on SPX. So SPY does look good here for calls even. So I'll release more details later on the auto support and resistance stuff. I might hop off of this in about like 2 minutes or so, just because I have another class I gotta get to. But this has been pretty great. We made some nice profits. Even BIDU, it was called out, but like I didn't exactly call it out. So like BIDU was one that went from 0.44 when I called it out, and I think it went to like something crazy like 0.8. Then we had what was the very last one that I just did? Amazon. That was 0.44 to like 0.5-ish. Sorry, I messed that up. So, I mean, overall, like, I understand that there was some lag on the stream and like there was some other stuff, but regardless of any of that, I hope you guys like learned something here today. And once again, the main thing, even if you have time this weekend, just sit down and create some type of trading strategy. I'm telling you this from personal experience. I blew up 3 accounts. Uh, I blew up 3 to 4 accounts just because I didn't know what having a trading strategy meant. I didn't know what all this meant, and I hope that this can all help you. Yeah, no, I agree with you. The 33.45 call would be way better. I went too far out the money. Yeah, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna send more alerts throughout the day, for sure. I'm just yeah waiting on stuff. Like you see, like right now, SPY is trying to break out at this 422.6 range. Can I get into your class? I do host one-on-ones. If you guys are interested, you could DM me for those. I'm gonna have multiple times that I do one-on-ones, but and in those one-on-ones we go over like how to build a trading strategy, how to use indicators and all of that. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna hop off this live now. It was a great time. I know that some things didn't exactly work out as as well as I wanted them to, but at least we got in some good plays. CVS, ET, Tesla, some of them kind of, moved down, got stopped out. Tesla was another one, but uh, glad to see some people made some profits. I appreciate it. Uh, thank you for the info. Yeah. Yeah, I'll try to do another stream next Friday. I'm gonna explore like Twitch and all that, and if you guys could just like send some reviews or comment on this video like reviews or uh anything like you kind of noticed or anything, just like comment, like it, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I can do this again. So thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys next Friday, hopefully.